Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the various Korean family terms. We already learned a few terms in the first two parts of this video series in which we learned the different Korean family terms. If you have not watched those two videos yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now, let's start with the part third. Okay, the first one is the Korean word for relatives, and that is 친척. 친척. Okay, next comes the Korean word for child, and that is 아이. 아이. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for maternal grandfather, and that is 외할아버지. 외할아버지. Okay, we know the Korean word for grandfather is 할아버지, and for maternal grandfather it's 외할아버지. Okay, next comes the Korean word for maternal grandmother, and that is 외할머니. 외할머니. Here also we know the Korean word for grandmother is 할머니. So, if you want to say maternal grandmother, then what you are going to do? You are going to attach 왜 with 할머니. 외할머니. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for uncle, and that is 삼촌. 삼촌. Now, let's see the Korean word for aunt, and that is 송모. 송모. Okay, now comes the Korean word for cousin, and that is 사촌. 사촌. Now let's see the Korean word for grandson, and that is 손자. 손자. Now comes the Korean word for granddaughter, and that is 손녀. 손녀. Okay, so today we learned a few Korean family terms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.